Namaste, I am from India. Always I say Namaste. Today in this video, I am going to teach you how to use digital multimeter. If you want to repair a laptop, if you want to repair a computer, you must know about this. With this, you can check the voltage of the adapter, you can check the voltage of the cable, lot of a thing. If you know, you can skip the video. If you not know, watch full video. I will give the basic information about the digital multimeter. Is that clear to you? And if you come first on my YouTube channel, please hit the red button, subscribe it, and please click the bell icon. When I make a video, you'll get the notification. Let's start. See, when you go in the market, you will get this digital multimeter in 150 rupees in India. Out of India, you can convert it in dollar, you can convert it in the euro, but India you will mainly get $2. Okay, in $2 you can get the digital multimeter. How? Check it out. Come nearby. I check it. I show you. You know, see, two color cable is there. One is the black color, one is the red color cable. The black is called the common cable, and you have to connect the common cable to the. Okay, there are three socket. One is the common, one is the voltage, and this is a different. You have to use only two socket. One is you have to insert the black one in the common one. Okay, I inserted in common one and red one in the second one. Now I connected this, and you see the arrow key is there on that. When I go on this is off. Now you can see this arrow is on, off, it's off. Now I change the pattern of this one. I go to this place. This is on the digital place. You want to check a digital current, you have to take this arrow to this side, left side. You want to check the AC current, you have to take this arrow key to the 750 and 200. Is that clear to you? This and this is for the AC one, and you want to check it for the DC one. Suppose I have a laptop charger. This is a laptop charger I have. See, laptop charger I have. It charger has two part. One, this is one. This cable is there. You check it. Okay, this is called the power cable. I have this is called the power cable, and other I have this is called the adapter. This give the AC. This give AC current, and this give the DC current. How to connect? How to work this? Suppose I'm India and I have a power connection here. I connect this to the main power board. I connected here to the main power board. Now I want to check how many current are there in this. Okay, how to check? In this you will find the AC current. Directly you will find the AC current. To check it, AC current, is the AC current is coming here or not? How to check it? You take the arrow to the 750. Okay, there's arrow in the 750, and now I take two rod. Always wear a sleeper in your foot, otherwise you may be something. Okay, so I have connected this. Now I am going to check it the AC current here. How to do? Don't touch this, don't touch this, touch it here, and I insert it. Not right that you insert here and there. There the 3 point is there. One is the left, right, and insert I black here, I insert the red here. Now I check. You see the 220 volt is there in the main power board. Clear? Now I selected this is 750, arrow is there on 750. I'm checking. It means that this cable is working fine. I'm same current is getting here on this place 230, and with this I'm also getting the 250 current. I can insert the black here. I can insert red this side and black this side. It does not matter anything. Okay. Again I can vice versa, and I go for this. You can check it out. Okay. Now you want to check the adapter. This adapter is working or not. How to check it? Now I switch off here. I connect this. I connect this adapter. Okay, I connected the adapter. Now I want to check the current here. Okay, you will find the DC current here, not the AC current, because coming the AC current is there with this cable to the adapter. From the adapter is going to the laptop, the DC current. How to check DC current is there? You want to check how many current it give? You can check it on the adapter. Okay, see, the adapter is written over there. 19 point something voltage you will find here in this. Okay, very small letter is written over, and you will find the 19 DC volt over. Okay, how to check it? Now I take the arrow to the this side. Okay, on 20. I take it on to 20. Now I am going to check this how many current are there. See, On that I checked on the AC current. Now I'm going to check on the DC current. How to check if DC current is there, this adapter is working or not, how to check it out. Now I go connect it here and take the one key to inside this. Okay, it's off. You on it first, and now you see this, and be a sleeper in your foot. This, now you check it out. See, the 19.81 volt is there. It means that this adapter is working fine. Clear? Now you want to check the inside, vice versa, black inside, red outside. You again see, you will get the minus voltage, but you can check it out. This is working. This is a positive current inside, and red inside and black outside. You see, this is a 19 point something voltage is there. This, it means that this adapter is a DC board. Now I want to connect to the laptop. You know, this laptop will not work with the AC current. This laptop will work with the DC current. All the component, all the part in this laptop is all working on DC current. Like hard disk work on the DC current, like CD drive work in DC. Everything in the laptop work on the DC current. Now I'm going to check it. I'm going to connect it here. Okay. When you connect it, you see, then you can see the light here. A small light, red light is there. It's connected. Now I'm going to on the laptop, and now you can check it out. The adapter is working fine. Okay, this you can check it out. Okay, so this is a basic information. You can check it. This is the AC current. How to check AC current and how to current is the DC current. Two types is. One third thing important is this connectivity. Something you want to check it. The connectivity is in the its connectivity is good or not. You take the arrow keys on this plate. Okay, on the buzzer, and then you check it out. You connect it. It will make some noise. Now I want to check this cable. This cable is a break or this cable is the right way is working. How to check this cable is right or wrong? I'm not connected with any power. Now I want to check it. I connected one wire to. I took this arrow to the buzzer one. You see, there on the buzzer one. Now I go for this one, and now I connect one side to this. I'm going to check it. This cable is right. Now you can see this cable is getting current from this side. It means this is working. Okay, and this side again I check it. Now this cable is okay. I check it out. The three way to check mainly in the digital multimeter: the AC current, DC current, and one connectivity. Now you don't want to use now. You go and take this on the off side and wrap it and keep it away. This is a basic information I try to give you, and I think if you watch full video, you must have learned about the digital multimeter, how to work, how to check the adapter, how to check the any equipment, any thing in the house with run on the electricity. Understood? If you like this video and if you've learned anything from this, please hit like button and comment it. A lot of people in this world want to learn, want to know many things. I think this video will help them. Again I say namaste because I am from India.